Now we'll see, we'll continue the interesting patterns topic in square numbers. That is the third topic, which is adding odd numbers. So we'll see what are odd numbers. What are odd numbers? Numbers which are not multiples of 2 or which are not divisible by 2 are called as odd numbers. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are called as odd numbers. Okay, they are called as odd numbers. Now we'll add odd numbers. How we'll add? We'll not add it randomly. We'll add consecutive odd numbers. Okay, I have already told you what are consecutive numbers. Consecutive numbers means which don't have gaps in between and they are from smallest to largest. Now we are telling consecutive odd numbers. So this is the first odd number. The next odd number is 3. Next odd number is 5. So there are no gaps in between the numbers and they are from smallest to largest. Okay, 1, 5, 9. If you say 1, 5, 9, this is not consecutive. Okay, there should be no gaps in between the numbers. 1, 3, 5 is a consecutive numbers. 7, 9, 11 are consecutive numbers, like that. Okay, now we will add consecutive odd numbers. 1, we'll take first odd number, which is 1. It can be expressed as 1 square. Next, 1 plus 3, sum of first 2 odd numbers. Aren't they first 2 odd numbers? Yes, they are first 2 odd numbers. 1 plus 3, which is equal to 4. It can be expressed as 2 square. 4 can be expressed as 2 square. Why? 4 is a square number. We have already studied it. Next is 1 plus 3 plus 5. Sum of first 3 odd numbers. Okay, this is 3. Sum of first 3 odd numbers, which is equal to 9. If you add and check, it will be 9. 9 is also a square number which can be expressed as 3 square. Similarly, 16. 16 you will get if you add first 4 odd numbers. Sum of first 4 odd numbers is 16, which can be expressed as 4 square. Similarly, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9, which is sum of first 5 odd numbers, that is 25. 25 can be expressed as 5 square. Why? Because this is a square number. Okay, if you see here some pattern, here there is number 2, sum of first 2 odd numbers. Okay, sum of first 2 odd numbers can be expressed as 2 square. Sum of first 3 odd numbers can be expressed as 3 square. Okay, are you observing the pattern here? Similarly, sum of first 4 odd numbers here. What will be, without checking here, tell me, sum of first 4 odd numbers will be what? 4 square. What you did here? Here you did 3 square, here you did 4 square. Similarly, you have to do 4 square here. Sum of first 5 odd numbers is 5 square. Okay, now if someone asks you like this, what is sum of first 15 odd numbers? Will you add the sum of, will you add the first 15 odd numbers and you will tell the answer, or you will tell directly using this trick? Directly using this trick is easy. Okay, what will you do? You will square this number 15 square, which is 225. Okay, when you add first 15, what are first 15 odd numbers? First 15 odd numbers are starting from 1 to 15. Like if 1, 3, 5, 7, these are 4. 1, 2, 3, first, these are first 4 odd numbers. Like that, you have to add first 15 odd numbers. If you add first 15 odd numbers, you will get the sum as 15 square. Okay. Now I'll generalize it. I'll take any number n, like any natural number n. Any natural, consider any natural number n. Any natural number n, small n will consider. So what is the sum of, I'm asking you, what is the sum of first n odd natural numbers? What is it? From this number you can tell, that will be, here the answer will be n square. Okay, using this trick you can solve the problems directly. We have seen that sum of first n odd natural numbers is n square. Can we say it in a different way, like this, like a reverse way, like this? If the number is a square number, the number we take is a square number already, like 4, 9, 16, these are all square numbers. It has to be, that square number has to be the sum of successive odd numbers starting from 1. What is this successive? Successive is nothing but consecutive. The other way, consecutive and successive are the terms which are used interchangeably. So don't get confused, because in your textbook you have it as successive. Okay, successive means consecutive odd numbers starting from 1. We'll take an example. First we'll take a non-square number. We'll take a non-square number 5. You know that 5 is a non-square number. We'll take this non-square number. See, it can be expressed as sum of successive odd numbers starting from 1 only when it is continuously, successively it is subtracted by odd numbers and we reach the step where it has become 0. See, I'll tell you, if we solve it, you will understand it perfectly. Okay, first step. What is the first step? Subtract 1 from 5, like this. I'll write the odd numbers here, successive odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and so on. First I am taking first odd number, subtracting it from 5. The answer is 4. This answer 4 is taken here. Okay. Now we'll first we subtracted number 1. Now we'll subtract number 3, that is second odd number, which is equal to 1. Now the third step is take this answer here 1 and subtract the next odd number 1, 3. The next odd number is 5. 1 minus 5 is minus 4. Okay. So are we getting at the result at last result 0? No, we are not getting it 0. So 5 is said to be a non-square number because it cannot be expressed as successive odd numbers starting from 1. We'll take a square number 25. This is a square number, right? Square number. Now the same way we'll subtract successive odd numbers from 25. 25 minus 1, which is 24. We are taking this result here 24. The next odd number after 1 is 3. The answer is 21. Now the third step, we are taking this result here 21. The next odd number is after 1, 3. The next odd number is 5. We are subtracting 5 from it. The answer will be 16. Fourth step, we are taking 16 here. 16 minus the next odd number is what? 7. We will get 9. Okay. 16 minus 7 is 9. Next, fifth step. The answer there we got is 9. I am taking this 9 here and the next odd number after 7 is, here it is 9. 9 minus 9, 0. So we got it the result 0. So 25 can be expressed as like this. 25 can be expressed as 1 plus, what are these odd numbers? Which odd numbers we have chosen? 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. As we subtracted successively these numbers from 25, we got it the result 0. So 25 can be expressed as sum of how many odd numbers? Sum of first 5 odd numbers. Sum of first 5 odd numbers, because the sum of first 5 odd numbers will be what? From this sum of first 5 odd numbers will be 5 square, which is 25. Isn't it? Here we took 25 and also we got here 25. So this statement is also true. We verified it here.